Did you just discover that you got lice in your hair and you were scared of them being multiplying in your head and great colony and all that stuff? You want to avoid it and you want to begin right now, but you don't have the knit comb. So then this video is for you, and I'm going to teach you a trick. You will require a basic comb and you will require some white thread or very light colored thread, so that the lice when they come out, or the knits when they come out, they're visible to you. So make sure it is light colored thread. I would recommend white. And then you would want maybe scissors to cut the thread, and at the most you would require a needle. If you cannot do it without the needle, you have to put that thread in the bristles of your basic comb. So for that, if you require, for your convenience, you may require a needle. Follow the instructions. So we are done with making this comb, making this magic comb, and we will test this. So wet hairs is obvious. Without wet hairs we are not going to catch them. I am in my last phase, so I will not get as many. Sometimes you can even get the Lice nits in this. I am using that medical shampoo, anti-lice treatment something. So nits, cement will become loose and nits also are coming in this comb. Okay, so I got it. I got this one. And the size is of the very freshly hatched lice which have come out from the egg. Yeah. So that tiny size also it is filtering out. So it definitely works. Happy licing out. This is my mom's one of the inventions, and it actually works. Let me know about your experience in the comment section below.